Hi, I'm Shane.
I'm Kelsey.
And this is Dixie. And we're Love Hut for Life. We've now been on the road for 69 weeks in our self-built slide-in camper / tiny home on wheels. And this week, we've been helping the Nelson boys convert a school bus.
That's right, guys. We are super excited about this project that we're working on. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, be sure and hit that thumbs up and subscribe button and leave us a comment below.
Morning. Want to build some stuff?
When we left you last week, we had just arrived at the build site for our buddy Nelson's new home. It was time to set up camp because we were going to be here a while. We had a lot of work ahead of us, but first we had to build an oven.
No better motivation than a pork roast cooking all day. Since we had left Skoolie Palooza, our buddy Nelson had sold his RV and bought a bus, and now it was time for us to help him make that bus into a home.
And in true nomad fashion, an entire caravan of nomads had come out to help along with the build.
There was no building getting done today, and that was fine by me, because I'd been smelling pork roasting all day. We headed back to the hut for dinner, and then attended one hell of a bus warming party. Hey, you did. You won it. The next morning, we all loaded up into an empty van and headed into town for supplies. When we got back, we were all anxious to see just how much damage that bus warming party did to the floors. Unfortunately, there was a little bit of damage. This type of flooring is a floating floor, so it's not really binded to the deck of the bus, which means with the heat fluctuation and weight fluctuation from last night, some of the panels had shifted.
While the guys who installed that floor handled that issue, we decided to take the rest of the afternoon to walk around and see this little nomadic city that we've just popped up here in the desert. When the sun started to go down, we decided to start looking for a fire.
And it wasn't long before we found one. One of my favorite parts of these roaming nomadic communities that we join up with is the campfires.
It is unquestionably where most of the memories and most of the friendships are made. The next morning, there was a lot of movement outside our bedroom window. It was time to get to work, and everyone was all hands on deck.
She's getting a new bus. I'm gonna see if I can save a couple for her. But
Hello, darling.
hey,
Hello.
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 How's it going, guys?
It's going. It's
We
building.
put 4 pieces of wood in. We are 5. I forgot about that one.
We are moving.
Shane, Brent, and Nico continued to work on framing out the inside of the bus. Jason and Aiden were outside with paintbrushes. I think we were all impressed with how quickly all of this was coming together. The first day of hard work, and a lot was there to show for it.
We finished up in time to catch a rooftop sunset and another one of those campfires.
The next morning, they were back at it again. By the time I made it down there that morning, they had already accomplished getting both bedrooms framed and were already ready to talk about the shower.
Yeah. From that water tank to here to there, well, into
Not even to there, like
Sink.
through there to the sink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, the only barrier it'll have to go through is there, and then you can build you a little pocket over
Yeah,
it. You
off
won't
the
ever
wall.
see it.
No, totally.
But no, after you take the covers off, you'll still be able to see the little well.
Yeah.
Is my intent here. If you want it finished out in there, but that was just a waste of wood to hide the little well. So we're gonna cover it.
Yeah.
But you'll have access to this whole thing.
Well, I don't even need access to that. We can cover that up and then.
Well, that's what I'm saying. What will be covering it is the covers to the,
Oh, got it. Got
to
it.
your business here.
Got it.
There'll be a wall going down here and a wall here, but once again, we can drill through them.
Got it.
Hey!
What you building?
Pooper. It's a proper pooper, you know?
All of this progress is super fast, and most of that is because the bus was not insulated before the build, so we were able to jump right into the rough framing of the whole structure.
Alright. I can't believe it, dude. We put so much work into this, so much collaboration, so many friends. It's amazing, dude. Like, we've only been on this build for like 5 days, I think.
I think less than that.
Yeah, like 4 or 5 days. We've got the entire roof painted, outside painted. We've got this thing stripped, insulated on the floor, subflooring, and tongue and groove floored.
Yeah.
Now, toilet was worked on today. The composting toilet and bathroom. We're getting ready to put the shower in. Cole's bedroom is getting walled and finalized.
Yeah, both of your beds are coming out nice.
This might be the first night we sleep in it.
Oh, totally.
Yeah.
We could do that tonight. I cleaned everything up,
I
so.
think we are.
Hey, Cole.
So,
What do you think of your bed, man? Hey, is this your room?
yeah.
Yes! Is it awesome?
Yeah. Yes! Look, this is gonna
Look.
watch.
Look, check it out, Cole. You do it like this.
Look, this is your bedroom now.
Hey,
It's almost your bedroom now. This is what's gonna.
this is your bedroom.
You're gonna be your mattress right here. Cole's gonna sleep right here. You wanna go in?
All right, man. Look at this, day one. You already have a girl in your room. Hug?
All right.
Oh, yes.
What part of California do you live in? Berkeley.
Are you excited about your new house?
Yes.
Yes. This is the coal cave, huh?
Going through like a
High five.
shitty divorce, and I decided I just need to get.
Yeah.
We're gonna put your mattress in here, buddy. This is gonna be your new room.
Yeah. Because I sit
This
there
is
in
Cole's
the same
new bedroom.
city, I can't go to the house.
Oh yes.
Oh, yes.
40 days after we separated.
You're right in the middle of the whole bus,
One
buddy.
day after the financial advisor said, "Oh,
right.
This is a very cool cave.
I know.
It's like Batman. You have your own cave.
you see it in her eyes."
You see out everywhere.
And she's going to plan.
It's cool, huh?
I'm leaving. I'm gonna go.
What do you say?
Well, I hate to hear that, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Weird about restraining orders. They just trust whoever files one. They just say, "Oh."
Everyone took a day to go to the lake, which meant I turned up my radio and got to work. I started to rough in a pantry as well as the rest of the bathroom and all of the storage in between the two compartments.
Right about the time that the sun started to go down, this bus was just about ready to be slept in for the first night. We spent our time getting everything cleaned up and ready so that when the Nelson boys came home tonight, they would have a nice clean house to sleep in.
It was time for us to get back to our house, clean up, and get a fire started.
James and Amy stopped by to enjoy it with us for a little bit, and we had a couple beers before it was time to start dinner. Aluminum foil and hot coals is one of my favorite ways to cook dinner. It's very little cleanup, and it also allows you to spend time outside with each other just enjoying the view. Look at that moon.
There's 25 to 30 mile an hour winds today with wind gusts predicted up to 60 miles an hour. Nobody's doing anything today. We'll be hiding inside all day.
We said that, but we all tried to get out for a little while and get a little bit of work done.
All you need is however much that long
Like 8
is.
inches and
That long.
14 inches. Okay.
Yeah, and then so it doesn't dig into the
So
wood.
basically,
Probably
angle that out,
wood.
and then we'll
You could either
do that
make another
funkiness.
piece going across in the bottom.
It wasn't long, though, before everyone was sick of the wind and ready to turn in for the night. The next morning, it was time to pack up and go into town for a little bit, but Shane wanted to get a little more work done first. Ooh, nice. Pantry's coming together.
Yep.
Room. And his dad's bedroom. And this is going to be a walk-in closet and a shower. I'm a little bit jealous, but he promises I can use it anytime I want.
I'm really proud of how quickly all this is coming together.
It's amazing what a bunch of people can do when they all come together for one purpose.
By midday, it was time for us to say our temporary goodbyes and head into town.
We hadn't done laundry since before Skoolie Palooza, so you could say it was more than time for us to take a trip to the laundromat. It also allowed us to get away for a night. One of my favorite things about this lifestyle, especially out west, is that at any point you can be as immersed in society as you want to be, or out here completely on your own.
All right, we took a little bit of a break last night and this morning, but we'll be back on that build by this afternoon.
That's right, guys. We are super excited about this project, but we did want to take the time to say that we appreciate each and every one of you for following us along. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and thumbs up, and also check out our other social media pages like our Facebook, Patreon, and Instagram page.
We'll see y'all next week. Bye, y'all.
Peace out, guys. Have a good one.